Welcome to Top Moments TV. Today, join us in experiencing the thrilling moments of witnessing spectacular rescues, where giant wooden boats must overcome difficult and dangerous challenges. This is a journey that requires courage, skills and modern rescue equipment. Get ready to begin. In the depths of the forest, the roar of chainsaws echoes, mingling with the powerful echoes of giant logging machines. This is not just a job, but an exciting adventure, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the green forest, must not only stand firmly on the mountain but also control every saw stroke, every winch. They are not only loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the midst of nature, where the slightest mistake can change their entire life. The Timberjack 810 is an icon in the logging industry, representing the cutting edge of modern forestry technology, designed to maximize performance and minimize environmental impact. It is not only a powerful workhorse but also a valuable assistant for foresters around the world. The Timberjack 810 features a robust design, combining a durable chassis with a flexible travel system, allowing it to easily operate on the most rugged and difficult terrain. With a modern cabin, the operator is guaranteed 360-degree visibility, enhancing control and safety during work. The cabin is also equipped with an air conditioning system and a vibration-reducing seat, providing maximum comfort even when working for long periods of time. Wood chipper is a specialized equipment designed to chop wood, branches, or tree materials into mulch or wood chips. The machine is often used in the forestry, agriculture, or on farms to process tree branches after pruning, helping to reduce waste and reuse as organic fertilizer or biological materials. With a structure including a sharp blade system and a powerful engine, wood chipper is capable of quickly and effectively processing even large and hard branches. This type of machine comes in many sizes, from compact mobile lines to large industrial machines, suitable for many different needs. The TimberPro TL735D is a modern forestry machine, specially designed for logging and processing wood in harsh working conditions. With a powerful crane system and 360-degree rotation, the TL735D easily operates in tight spaces. The machine is equipped with a powerful, fuel-efficient engine, along with a comfortable cabin with wide visibility, ensuring comfort and safety for the operator. In addition, the advanced control system optimizes performance and accuracy at work, making the TimberPro TL735D the ideal choice in the modern forestry industry. The Deere 959M Feller Buncher is one of the most advanced and powerful tree cutters designed for the forestry industry. It is equipped with a powerful engine system that meets Tier 4 emission standards, helping to save fuel and minimize environmental impact. The 959M's cabin is designed for comfort, with 360-degree rotation, giving the operator a comprehensive view while working. The flexible crane system, together with a sturdy cutting head, allows the machine to handle large trees effectively. The CBI 6800BT is one of the leading industrial crushers, designed to handle large and hard materials such as wood, tree roots, branches, and construction waste. With powerful capacity, advanced engine, and high-quality cutting system, the machine is capable of crushing quickly and efficiently, minimizing operating costs. In particular, the flexible design of the CBI 6800BT allows easy movement to different construction sites or work areas. Oh my god, a SITAKXR200D heavy-duty tractor is pulling a giant crane up a 30-degree slope. It's terrible. The road is very difficult to move such a big machine. A heavy truck loaded with logs trudged through the muddy road in the middle of the deep forest. The huge tires sank deep into the mud, making screeching sounds every time the wheels turned. The body of the truck shook violently as it passed over potholes and tree roots that protruded from the ground. Mud splashed and stuck to the body of the truck, making it look like it was covered in a dirty brown coat. The surrounding jungle scene was gloomy. Only the roar of the engine and the chirping of the forest birds echoed. The drivers, with focused eyes and steady hands, constantly controlled the vehicle to keep the weight of the truck and the heavy load behind them balanced. This was a common sight on the arduous journey to bring logs out of the deep forests.
Olha a criança que tá puxando. Será que tem pressão? Olha o tamanho do rolo faca, moço. É muito grande isso daí.
KUBUTAHF 800 is a wood splitter with a sharp drill bit. A powerful tool, specialized for processing firewood effectively. The drill bit is designed in a spiral shape with a sharp tip, helping to easily penetrate the hardest wood. When operating, the drill bit rotates at high speed, combined with strong pressure, splitting wood into small pieces quickly and accurately. The John Deere 748L is a powerful and modern log tractor designed to work effectively in harsh forestry environments. With a powerful John Deere PowerTech engine, high power and intelligent transmission system, the 748L provides outstanding traction, making it easy to move logs through complex terrain. The comfortable cabin is designed with air conditioning, good sound insulation and intuitive control panel, creating maximum comfort for the operator. The double wishbone steering system and technological improvements help improve productivity and reduce fuel consumption, making the 748L the ideal choice for the professional logging industry. The Deere 648D is a popular skidder from John Deere, specifically designed for the forestry industry. With a powerful engine and durable drivetrain, the 648D is capable of pulling and transporting large logs from the logging area to the staging area efficiently. The machine is equipped with a sturdy frame, a modern locking differential system and specialized tires that increase traction, even on rough terrain. The 648D's cabin is spacious, comfortable and has optimal visibility, helping the operator work safely and effectively in the harsh conditions of deep forests. This is the ideal choice for large-scale logging companies. The Bandit chipper is a professional wood chipper designed to efficiently process branches, wood chips, and even large tree trunks. With a powerful motor and high-quality blade system, the machine can shred materials into uniform-sized wood chips, suitable for many purposes such as sawdust production, organic fertilizer, or biofuel. The Bandit chipper's design focuses on durability, Wimmer is a modern wood splitter, an advanced industrial equipment designed to cut wood into panels or blocks of precise size. Serving the wood processing stages, the machine uses sharp saw blades, combined with an automatic control system to improve efficiency and accuracy. Features such as adjustable saw speed, changing cutting depth, and continuous operation make the modern wood splitter an indispensable tool in wood processing workshops, meeting the needs of large volume production and high-quality requirements. The eTerra 4500 is a powerful and efficient machine designed to handle heavy-duty jobs in the agricultural and construction fields. With a powerful engine and a sharp cutting system, the machine is capable of handling a variety of jobs, from digging to clearing soil, rocks and other materials. The design of the eTerra 4500 focuses on versatility and durability, allowing the machine to operate effectively in a variety of harsh conditions. It is a reliable tool for construction companies and farms that need a versatile machine that saves time and effort. Forestry mulcher is a specialized equipment in the forestry industry, designed to process and clean up forest areas. With sharp cutting blades, the machine is capable of crushing trees, bushes, and branches into small pieces, helping to free up land areas and prevent the growth of unwanted vegetation. This machine is often attached to motor vehicles such as bulldozers or tractors, and works effectively in dense forest environments or areas with complex terrain. The Volvo EC350E is one of Volvo's large excavators, featuring outstanding performance and fuel efficiency. Equipped with a powerful engine, the EC350E is capable of handling heavy-duty work, from digging to moving materials in construction and mining projects. The large truck, loaded with heavy logs, was slowly climbing the steep slope. The whole vehicle shook under the weight of the cargo, the wheels gripping the rough road. When reaching a dangerous curve, the driver had to hold the steering wheel firmly, skillfully controlling the vehicle so that it would not swerve. The wooden slats on the truck bed seemed to be swaying, creating a tense and powerful scene. The sun shone dimly through the gaps between the tree branches, creating a space that was both majestic and dangerous. Komatsu 875 is one of the specialized wood-cutting machines, designed to operate in forest exploitation areas with high efficiency. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, Komatsu 875 is capable of cutting, sawing and processing wood quickly and efficiently. The machine has a flexible steering system, making it easy to move on rough terrain, while enhancing durability and high load capacity during work. Modern cabin design and user-friendly control systems help optimize productivity and minimize operating fatigue. Romer SC30TX is a versatile mini lawnmower. Compact yet powerful, ideal for handling large trees and branches in hard-to-reach areas. With a chain drive system, the SC30TX easily moves over uneven terrain and is capable of cutting and crushing trees quickly and efficiently. In particular, the machine is equipped with a powerful engine, helping to complete the job quickly.
Thank you for joining us for this epic event. Top Moments TV if you enjoyed seeing These powerful machines in action. Like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrills. Content. See you next time.